going to go ahead and make the legs now. You're going to make 2 legs. It will look like this, and I'll show you how to get started. So first, start with a magic ring, and in your ring, insert 6 single crochets. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we'll be starting off with the shoes first. So as you can see, I used a blue color for the shoe, and then I switched to the skin color for my doll. So pull your ring tight after you do your 6 single crochets, and then for round 2, you're going to single crochet around. So put 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. That'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me push my shoe out a little bit. We have to make sure the right side is out and that the wrong side is in. Okay, so I was on stitch 4 and now it's 5. And 6. All right, now after round 2, you're going to do the same thing for round 3. You're just going to single crochet around. So again, that's 6 stitches around. I'll just count them off here. That's 1 stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that you've got 3 rounds down, you are going to switch to the skin color. So we finished making the shoe part. Now we're going to switch to the skin color, which in my case, I'm using peach. So I'm gonna go and get ready for my next stitch and connect with my peach colored yarn. So for this round 4, after you switch the colors, you're just going to single crochet around like normal. So that's 1 stitch I made, and then insert your hook for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And once I've come around, I like to trim off my yarn over there so that it's not in the way. So now with the blue yarn away, I can keep going with my peach yarn. So I've come to the start of the round. As you can see, that was the start of round 4 with that new color. Now I'm going to keep going around, and basically you're going to repeat these instructions for the next few rounds until you reach round 12. So once you get to round 12, your leg should look about this tall. And of course, if you'd like to have longer or shorter legs, just adjust accordingly to what you would like lengthwise. So I'll show you one more round here. I did 2 single crochets so far. Insert my hook into the next stitch. Here's 3. Here's 4. Here's 5. And there is 6. So pretty simple. You're just repeating these stitches all the way around until you reach round 12. We'll meet back when round 12 is done. Once you finish round 12, go ahead and snip off the yarn end, and you're going to also make sure you make 2 legs before you continue with the instructions for joining to make the body. The legs are actually crocheted with the body together, so there's no sewing involved with attaching the legs to the body.